If you're looking for an allergy-friendly dinner that feels like a treat, these crispy pretzel-crusted tofu tenders are such a fun option. They're crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside, and completely egg-free, dairy-free, and nut-free. For the coating, we're swapping traditional breadcrumbs for some crushed pretzels, which gives these tenders an extra crispy, salty, savory crust. I'm adding some garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and salt for a simple seasoning blend that works really well with the pretzel flavor. And the batter is a simple mix of flour, dairy-free milk, Dijon mustard, and a little garlic powder. The mustard is optional, but it adds a little extra depth and helps balance the flavors. You're looking for a consistency similar to a pancake batter, thick enough to coat the tofu, but not so thick that it becomes heavy. The key to making tofu work in recipes like this is starting with some extra firm tofu and pressing out as much moisture as possible. This helps create a better texture and gives the coating something to hold on to. Once pressed, I simply broke the tofu into thick strips to mimic the shape of traditional chicken tenders. Now it's time to build that crispy coating. Dip each piece of tofu into the batter. Once it's dipped in the batter, then press it into the pretzel crumbs, making sure every side is covered. This is the part where kids can actually help too, because there's no complicated technique. Just dip, coat, and bake. Repeat until all the pieces are coated and they are placed onto a parchment-lined baking tray. A light spray of oil helps the pretzel coating get that deep golden color and crispy texture in the oven. Bake at 425 degrees, flipping halfway through until the tenders are crisp and golden. The best part about these is that they're familiar. They're the kind of food that feels fun and approachable, whether you're serving them for dinner, packing leftovers for lunch, or just looking for something new to add to your rotation. I kept these simple with ketchup for dipping because honestly, sometimes the classics are the best. If you're looking for more allergy-friendly meals and recipes, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.